With fall just around the corner, today feels like a great day for apple cider cinnamon donuts. So in a pot over medium-high heat, bring 1.5 cups of apple cider, not apple juice, apple cider, to a boil. Continue to cook for 20 to 30 minutes or until it's been reduced to half a cup. In a bowl, you're going to combine all the dry ingredients and sift that. So once the apple cider has cooled down, you're going to combine the rest of the ingredients in a separate bowl. Whisk that together and then add it to the dry ingredients. Mix the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients until just combined. Don't overmix, otherwise you're going to have a gummy donut. Fill the donut pans about 3/4 of the way full. Bake in a 350 preheated oven for 13 to 15 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. So you're going to brush the tops with some melted butter, and then you're going to dip it in a sugar and cinnamon mix. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you back for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.